Hey guys, welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about an important topic: what happens if you eat beets every day? If you're looking to make small changes in your life, adopting healthy habits can be a great start. In this video, I'm going to share with you the incredible benefits of eating beets every day and my personal experience. Eating beets every day is like giving your body a superfood boost. With its high fiber, iron, and antioxidant content, it strengthens your immune system, supports your digestive system, and boosts your energy levels. When I started eating beets every day, I noticed incredible changes in my body. I felt more energized, my skin became brighter, and it positively impacted my overall health. In conclusion, making small changes can make a big difference. Eating beets every day can surprise you with its positive effects on your health. Remember, take care of yourself and take a small step today towards adopting healthy habits. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Your support means the world to me and helps me create more content like this.